I think breakfast muffins need a total redo. They could be way more fun, way more cute. We're gonna make a breakfast muffin that looks like it belongs on a patisserie shelf, but yet it's really easy. Oh, and there's a little surprise inside. Let's make my raspberry and coconut granola muffins. I have some tricks for how we're going to turn a regular breakfast muffin into something that's really amazing. But first up, I just want to say that I have partnered with Carmens for this episode, and I'm going to be using their raspberry and coconut low sugar granola for my muffin. And I have like a really cool smoothie bowl thing I'm going to make later on as well. And for that one, I'm going to be using their toasted classic fruit and nut muesli. Now first up, I want to get going on the very special raspberry filling we have for our granola muffin. So that one is really simple because you need simple things in the morning. It's just raspberries and maple syrup. Heat on low until they're simmering and then lightly crush up the raspberries with your spoon until it's a little jammy. Cool and just set aside for later. Now the muffin mix, super easy. I actually really love this stuff. It smells fun. It smells beautiful, and I think, you can see there's like these little freeze-dried raspberries in here and the full flakes of coconut and those green pepita seeds. I really like that crunch. So it kind of like inspired this whole muffin actually, this granola. And now you need self-raising flour and baking powder. Just give that a mix together. For the wet ingredients, I need some yogurt. Mine has like a little bit of a berry flavor to it, which is really yum. Coconut milk, butter, eggs, maple syrup, vanilla bean paste, and a little bit of water. And then just like a little bit of extra cute here is some lemon zest, because I think it really boosts the fragrance of the entire muffin. Now I think what you want from a muffin is something that has a little bit more density than a cupcake, but you do want it to be lovely and soft and still moist. So it all comes down to this base recipe, and all the measurements are on my website, so go and check it out. Now bake these at 170 Celsius for 20 minutes.
Difference between a muffin and a cupcake?
Well, in my opinion, the difference is that a cupcake is like far more kind of like dainty and crumbly, like more cake-ish, hence the word cupcake, I guess. Whereas a muffin, I think, has a bit more grunt. So when those muffins come out of the oven, there's a very special thing you need to do to get that really lovely patisserie look for your muffins. So we'll do that later. But first up, I thought, we've got a bit of time. Let's make a smoothie bowl. Yum. Okay, so for the smoothie bowl, you need frozen banana, frozen mango, frozen pineapple, 2 kaffir lime leaves, and some coconut water. Blend until you have a really smooth ice cream consistency. Pour that into a chilled bowl, and now you can get decorating. This is the fun part. Kiwi fruit, blueberries, I like a little dollop of yogurt too. And then sprinkle with something crunchy. I'm going with Carmen's fruit and nut muesli because it's low GI, a good source of fiber, and high in whole grains. So that just makes me feel far more virtuous in the morning. The key to this smoothie bowl, the kaffir lime leaf, makes it so much more fresh and lively. Love it, yum. So here are our muffins, and then here comes the trick to turning them into like patisserie level shape. The trick to making your muffins look really cute is to pop a chopping board or a tray on top and then flip them over and let them cool down, and that way you're getting a really flat base, which kind of looks like a patisserie cake. Once your muffins have cooled, they should reveal themselves just like this. Look at that golden color, it's so fun. Oh my goodness. See, this is joyful. This is joyful breakfast that we're making. Now, of course, you could serve these as they are beautiful, but my suggestion is make them a little fancy. Cut little holes in here. Spoon in your raspberry filling. And then you've got a couple of options here. I'm gonna go like the luxe version and do some drizzled dark chocolate. You can also do some nice thick natural yogurt and then decorate with fresh raspberries. And I mean, look at these. They are so cute. Oh my goodness, like breakfast is so much happier right now. I just literally am in love with this plate. I'm gonna do a little extra sprinkle here, kind of like little party sprinkles if you like, but with my raspberry and coconut granola. And there you go. I mean, so cute. Look at that. Breakfast, so happy and amazing and beautiful. Let's have a look at the surprise because this is the fun part. Look at that. You know, it tastes really luxe and amazing, but I know there are some really good ingredients in there, and I've used my raspberry and coconut low sugar granola. So, I'm having my muffin and I'm eating it too.
Hey, thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it. I sure do love cooking and creating content for my channel. And if you enjoyed it, then why not hit the subscribe button and maybe that little bell as well, because if you hit the bell, then you'll get a notification every time I'm cooking something delicious.